How to connect Telegram wallet to Binance. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how whether you can connect Telegram wallet to Binance or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. As we know, connecting a Telegram wallet to Binance directly isn't currently possible, as they are two separate platforms that handle cryptocurrency transactions differently. However, you can move funds from your Telegram wallet on coin or other supported coins to your Binance account by transferring the assets. So, to transfer crypto from your Telegram wallet to Binance, follow these steps. First, obtain your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account, go to wallet, select fiat and spot or deposit, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer like TON for TON coin. Copy the generated deposit address. Next, open your Telegram wallet. Access your Telegram app and navigate to your wallet service, such as at Wallet or Tomkeeper. Select the same cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then initiate the transfer. Choose the option to send or withdraw funds, paste the Binance deposit address you copied, and confirm all details before sending. Finally, wait for the transaction to complete. The transfer might take a few minutes depending on the blockchain network. You can track your transaction using a blockchain explorer like TonScan for TON. So that's how you can transfer cryptocurrency from your Telegram wallet to Binance. That's all for this video.